So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Wells Fargo stock, ticker symbol WFC in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go to the bottom option right here and press on the magnifying glass. So at the bottom part, press on the magnifying glass icon. Then once you're in this screen, go to the top and press on the search bar. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol WFC. For Wells Fargo. So as you can tell, Wells Fargo and Company is the second option right here. Press on that and then press on buy at the bottom. Press on stocks. Now, if you wanted to change it over from a fractional buy into another buy, simply just press on fractional buy. Now you have the option to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy. But we're just going to go ahead and stick with fractional buy for this demonstration. I'm going to type in $3. Now, keep in mind this is USD, not CAD, so there will be a conversion afterwards into CAD. So once that is done, press on continue. Now, as you can tell, if you wanted to confirm your order, simply go to the bottom and press on the confirm order option. But as you can tell as well, the cost for this is $3 USD, but with the conversions, the estimated cost is $4.08 Canadian dollars. So just be aware in case you're buying an American stock here on Wealthsimple, there is a conversion and it is shown to you before you make the purchase. But regardless though, once you press confirm, there you go. That is how to buy Wells Fargo stock, ticker symbol WFC in Canada. I hope this video helps.